Jai Gurudev and good morning children. Let me take you to a trip around the globe. Do you ever wonder as to what exactly the shape of the planet Earth is? Long ago, people thought it was flat like a coin. But later on, when pictures were taken from space, then we got to know that the Earth is actually spherical like a sphere. To make the study of this huge spherical Earth easy and on a smaller scale, geographers discovered globes and maps. So what is a globe? A globe is an exact model of the Earth showing the correct shape and location of the continents, oceans and seas on a smaller scale. It shows the shape and location of the continents and oceans. Different places too can be located on a globe. Let us see what is a continent. Continents are large masses of land surrounded by water. There are totally 7 continents: North America, Europe, Asia, South America, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. The large water bodies that separate the continents are called oceans. There are 5 major oceans in the world. They are the Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean. Like the Earth, as the globe is spherical, we can see only one half of it. A globe is not fixed but can be rotated like the Earth. The axis of the globe has 2 endpoints called the poles. The one at the top is called the North Pole and the one at the south is called the South Pole. Midway between the poles is an imaginary line encircling the Earth which is called as the equator. This divides the Earth into north and the south hemispheres. A set of imaginary circles and semicircles run across the globe. Let us see about the latitudes and the parallels. The full horizontal circles are called latitudes or parallels as they are drawn parallel to the equator. Features of the parallels. The length of the parallels decreases as we move away from the equator towards the poles. The North Pole and the South Pole are the points. The parallels are located at an equal distance from each other. Numbering the parallels. Children, you should know there are 180 parallels in total. 90 in the North Hemisphere marked as capital letter N. 90 in the Southern Hemisphere marked as capital letter S. The North Pole is written as 90 degree north and the South Pole is written as 90 degrees south and the equator is written as 0 degrees. Some important latitudes: equator, the Tropic of Cancer, the Arctic Circle, the Tropic of Capricorn, and the Antarctic Circles are the different latitudes found on the surface of the Earth. Features of the longitudes. They are of the same length. The distance between the meridians is maximum at the equator and keeps on decreasing as one moves towards the poles. The meridians cut the parallels at 90 degrees and help us to measure distances in the east-west direction. Numbering of the longitudes. The longitude of a place is measured east or west of the prime meridian. There are 360 meridians of longitude drawn at an interval of 1 degree. The prime meridian is 0 degree longitude. 180 meridian are to the east of the prime meridian and are marked by the capital letter E. 180 meridians are to the west of the prime meridian and are marked by the capital letter W. Moving on to what is meant by grid, the latitudes and the longitudes form a network of lines or a grid on the globe and help us in locating places accurately on the global grid. Wow! Look at this! This is the largest globe in the earth, that is called as Eartha. So it is located in Yarmouth in USA and measures about 41.5 feet in diameter and rotates and revolves exactly like the earth. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.